it's bad time, you don't need to go outside. Stay home, watch my channel or Netflix or Amazon Prime. No need to travel anywhere. But what you can do? You can watch travel videos in YouTube. So keeping those things in mind, I thought, okay, let's make one video about some travel bloggers slash filmmakers in India. People like them. I like them. You like them. So I've just handpicked 5 of them. What do you say? Best travel bloggers. Again, slash filmmakers. So let's talk about them. Let's find out what I love about them, what I really don't like about them, and you can give me your thoughts after this video. You don't need to abuse me. You can comment on the comment section, and that's it. How am I looking? How this lens performs? By the way, I'm using Viltrox 23mm f1.4. It's mounted on my Fuji X-T4. I hope the colors look great. I'll talk about that more. Who really thinks about color while making the travel film? Who really doesn't think about the color grading, the cinematic look much? So we'll talk about that. Okay, I don't have any intro, so we'll just start right away. The first channel in my list is called Traveling Mondays. The person behind this channel, his name is Sakti. Sakti means power, so he is using his power. He is a wizard. He draws people attention. He's good at that. I love him. I love his content because he's really good at storytelling. He takes you to the place, even though it's virtual. He talks about that place in his own way. He's a good narrator. Even though I don't find he gives you much information, the real-time information you need, but anyway, you'll love to watch his videos. So just go and watch his videos. Subscribe him. Tell him that Just Love Films sent you. He'll be happy. So the next one in my list, everybody loves him. He is a kind of he is a hero actually. Why I said hero? Because he makes his travel videos as films. He converts that video and make it as a film. It looks really cinematic, and the guy who is really behind this is Ankit Bhatia. I love your style, Ankit. You are good. I love his videos. His videos are really cinematic. You see the sky, real blue. You see the water, real blue. You see the forest, trees, green, all saturated, contrast and everything. I mean, once you see his video, you'll feel that, okay, I need to go to that place. But he's not real. His videos are not real, which is not a very nice thing to say, but that's it. You'll love his videos. I love his videos, but I don't find his videos much more informative. He will just talk about his life, his friends. Okay, but he's good. I love you, Ankit. And Ankit is more obsessed towards color grading and less storytelling. He uses his drones If you watch his videos, you will find 25 to 30% of the time is covered by drone only. He's really a good drone pilot, you can say. He's good at that. But is it sufficient for a travel filmmaker or a travel blogger? You decide. I'll go to the next one. The next person or channel, you can say, in my list is Tanya Khanijao. Excuse me, Tanya, if I pronounce your name incorrectly. I hope you understand. I would say Tanya is like the godmother of the travel bloggers. I think there is no place in India left for Tanya. She has visited most of the tourist places. Nothing left. At least 95%, I would say. I can bet on that. The good thing about her, she is more talkative. She can speak continuously, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes throughout the video. She never tires. She never stops. She has the power of a goddess. So I think for a travel blogger or a filmmaker, that is the best thing. You need to speak. You need to show the world around you, but you need to speak about the place. You need to speak about the people, culture, food, everything. You have to be more informative, and that is what I think Tanya is quite good at that. She's good. I like her. But there are some other people. We'll talk about them. I think Viltrox is still doing its job pretty good, not losing me. Okay. So the next one in my list, it's Ronnie and Bati. My favorite couple. I think they both are into this filmmaking business prior to this travel channel and all. So they have the sense where to place the camera, how to picturize the things, picturize the place. So they know that. And Ronnie, I think he's a fantastic drone operator next to Ankit Bhatia, I guess. But the storytelling and showing the places around and the narration is quite good, amazing. This is my personal opinion or view, or this is my personal thought about them. I can say they really don't want to travel much. I know it sounds weird. What I mean to say, actually, when they travel, they don't want to travel frequently. They want to be in that place, live the moment, experience the food, experience the culture, experience the mountains, sky, snow, everything. Basically, they are both mountain persons. You will not find much, real-time information from them. So again, talking about the real-time information about the travel blogging or the places, I will switch to the next one. It's the final one for me. She is Radhika, and her channel is Radhika Nomlers. I'll tell you why she is my favorite. Radhika is so raw as a person. I think she could do anything. She could, climb up the mountains. She could dive into the sea. She could run, fly, walk. She could do anything. And she actually gives a lot of information in her channel. about the price, result the, I mean about the budget. If you are in a like you don't want to spend tons of money while traveling, and I think her channel is best for that. If you watch her channel, you will find all the informations, especially about the budget. She is quite good at that. So in my opinion, these are the 5 best travel bloggers, filmmakers in India. There are so many others, but I found these 5 people like they are quite good at what they are making. And Radhika is my favorite. She's best travel blogger. If you really want some information about your travel things, she's the right person, according to me. You might have a different opinion. I really respect that. But if you have a different opinion and you want to share with me, you can go to the comment section and we can talk more on that. Just a reminder, don't go outside. It's Corona time. Stay home. Stay safe. How is this Filtrux doing? How is my skin tone? You tell me, Ankit. Are you losing me? Oh. Am I cinematic now? How's this video? Is it more cinematic than Ankit's video or not? Let me know. My son comes. I need to wait. Okay. Now you can go. Bye.